Hey everyone, this is my first real attempt at making a lockpicking video. I'm going to be picking a Weiser Deadbolt. I just finished repenning it with some serrated and spools, so hopefully I'll get this bad boy unlocked on camera and give you guys something worth spending your time watching. Shout out to Bosnianbill, you're the man. Hopefully someday, probably a long time from now, I can be half as good as you. Your videos are awesome and you make lock picking entertaining. Also, Keypicking Forum, or just keep picking. Those guys over there are great, and there's a lot of information and a lot of people that'll help you out. So let's get to this. This is a 5-pinner, and I am a novice at this. I do not claim to be any kind of professional, but hopefully I can get something done today. This bad boy unlocked. Wish I could tell you which pin I'm on, but I am not that good. Watching Bosnianbill's videos always amazes me how he knows exactly what pin he's on. I can get a good guess, but nowhere close to that guy. And what the heck's going on already? He seems to be freed up on me. Oh, wait a minute, here we go. Maybe not. That's something. False set there on pin 1. That one's the easy one. I can tell you which one I did that one on. I think I'm on pin 2. Yep. Oh yeah, a little counter rotation. Nice false deep set. Let's see here. One fills. I don't know if I got that one or not. A little counter rotation. Not too sure what that's about. Yeah. Something there. And let's come back to him. Or maybe we'll go to him right now. Trying to use my finger to help rotate this thing. He is really jammed in there though. Come on. Yeah. And there we go. Man, I had to use my finger to help with the counter rotation because it was so stuck in there. But that is it. Awesome. First lock opened on the first video. Feeling pretty lucky here. No Bosnianbill, but hey, it's fun. I love it. Can't wait to do more. Thank you all for taking the time to watch the video. Later. Oh yeah. Be safe, be legal, have fun.